Hello, it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today, as you may have noticed from the box over here, we're going to be doing another Pusheen Box review slash unboxing video. This is the Fall 2018 box. I slipped in my order at the very last minute, so I didn't get my box until the day after Thanksgiving. So I have already been spoiled for what's in it because I watched Pixie Lox's video, but I thought I would still make a video about it and share all of the wonderful pushiness of it. So the box it doesn't want to close. It came in pretty good condition. It's a little beat up in the back, but for the most part it's hanging out okay. So we've got Pusheen in the front, who is sleeping, and then the top of the box has some clouds and some Z's for sleeping Pusheen. Again, the back of the box has the tail, and then the underside of the box has the Pusheen little feet. So, and I think they're running a Black Friday sale for discount on the boxes, but they run about, once shipping's included, $45 to $50 a box, which I definitely think the items included in the Pusheen boxes are worth that value. However, it is a lot to spend on a subscription box, so that's why I did wait until the last minute until I knew what the theme of the box was going to be, so then I could decide whether or not to get it. So, and the theme of the box is kind of like lazy Pusheen, but it's also kind of a self-care box, which I think is really sweet, though there were quite a few people I noticed that were disappointed that it wasn't a traditional fall theme. Like the previous year's box was had lots of mushrooms and acorns and had kind of a fall feel to it, and the box before that is where the little bat Pusheen came from, and that had more of a Halloween theme. So as someone who really loves Halloween and Pusheen, it was a little bit disappointing that they didn't have any Halloween stuff, but I think the theme is still a great box theme. So it comes with the card. It has the little sleeping Pusheen on the back of it, but we're going to ignore that. And first thing on the top is a Pusheen. Oh, this is gonna be super crinkly. I apologize. The first item is the Pusheen stress ball. I don't want to keep squeezing it because it's going to make so much noise on the microphone, but it is really cute. It does feel really squishy. I'm not really a big stress ball person, and plus I feel bad squeezing a Pusheen, but if stress balls are your thing, I could see this being really useful because it is really squishy. Alright, now to something that does not make as much noise. We have the Pusheen hand towel. Again, it's the theme of Pusheen sleeping on a cloud, and I'm totally gonna go wash this and then put it in my bathroom after this video is done, because we have another bathroom themed item. So we've got a loofah, and it has a little, it's like that rubber strap stuff, you know, those big keychains that you put in Eat-A bags. So it's got like a rubber strap Pusheen in it, with Pusheen in a little bathrobe. And when I mentioned this to my husband, he was like, oh, they should have made the loofah Pusheen shaped, but I'm not sure how that would have worked. So I think it's perfectly fine to just have a regular loofah with the added touch of the Pusheen on it. I still think it's really cute. And I love pink, so what's not to like? And sorry, more crinkling. So we have this one had a plushie in it. So again, we have Pusheen in a bathrobe, a little stuffed plush. So this is gonna end up going up there. I don't think it'll show up, but the Pusheen in a Christmas sweater that I got in last year's winter box, I put up there, so this little Pusheen's gonna go up there and join her. Okay, so, oh goodness, next. So, whoop. Again, with the bathroom theme, we have the Pusheen soap dispenser. So it looks like a Pusheen, and then it just has the little spigot on top, which is really cute. I'm, yeah, definitely redoing the entire bathroom, excuse me, in Pusheen. Though, speaking of bathrobe, I love how they package this to fit. Apparently I also can't speak today. How they package this to fit it in the box. So, put it down. There we go. So, this was one of the items that was spoiled for the box because they usually do a teaser. They put the boxes up for pre-order, and then they also have a teaser that they'll put on their Instagram to kind of give a hint as to what the theme of the box is. And the bathrobe was one of the teasers, and honestly this is what made me interested in the box because it is super soft and the design is more Pusheens on clouds. There's some of the Pusheen wrapped in balloons to carry her up. It says hi. This is so cute and so soft, and if you were to buy this on their website, it would probably be $50 for the bathrobe itself. So I think just getting the bathrobe makes the entire box worth it. And also has the tie. To put this down here, I'm running out of room. I just borrowed the end of my ironing board to put stuff on, but alright. So, whoop. The last couple things in the box, we have the Pusheen toothbrush holder and little toothbrush. It's got a suction cup on the back so that you can attach it to a mirror or shower, whatever works best for you. I do think this is really cute. And then last is the item, I'll be honest, this is the thing that I was kind of the most disappointed with out of everything in the box, because as you can see, some of the ones behind me, move out of the way, the vinyl figures usually are in keeping with the theme, so I can't remember what box this was. This was one a long time ago. But so we have like the mermaid Pusheen, or the Christmas Pusheen wrapped in Christmas lights. And so I was hoping, since the vinyl figure was not one of the items that they did the teaser for, which is kind of odd because usually the vinyl figure is one of the items that they spoil first, and it gives you an idea of the theme. But I can see why they didn't spoil it this time, because the vinyl figure is, well, cute. It's a sleeping Pusheen with a winking face. It's a Pusheen, so it doesn't really have a theme to it. It's just a Pusheen, as opposed to previous years where they have like Pusheen in Christmas lights. So a little bit disappointed with that. It's still really cute. It's still gonna go on the shelf with the rest of the little Pusheen friends, but I was kind of hoping for something like even something like this, where it was Pusheen in a bathrobe, or Pusheen in a towel, or Pusheen sleeping, like a lot of the other designs that were on some of the other things on here. Like, they could have totally made the figure to match that. Or, oh, there goes everything. The Pusheen on the towel with the little cloud, that would have been really cute as a figure. So, still think it's really adorable. Still is gonna go in with the rest of the Pusheen friends back there. It'll just go right in there. And it is a bit smaller than some of the, oh, actually, yeah. It's a bit on the smaller side compared to some of the others. And the coloring is a little bit different. The others are a bit more of a blue gray. This is more of a yellow gray. But still really cute. And in review of the box, definitely very glad I got it. I'm gonna go Pusheenify my bathroom as soon as this video is done. It was definitely worth the price, considering all of the items that you get in there, how high quality they are, and like I'd mentioned before, the bathrobe itself probably would have gone for the same price as the entire box. One thing I did want to mention is that the box itself, now granted mine shipped a little bit late, but that's my own fault because I waited until the last possible minute to order it, and because I also changed my address since I moved, and customer service was so nice and helpful with making sure that everything shipped to the new address. The problem is that in the past when I've ordered them without the problem of changing the address, they do ship really slowly, and they've already started pre-orders for the winter box, and usually the winter box says that it's supposed to ship mid-December, but since the last couple fall boxes just went out and they're already taking orders for winter box, and at least last year's winter box didn't arrive until the day before Christmas Eve, or possibly Christmas, I think it was the day before Christmas Eve, it didn't come until. And since they're already so slow with shipping the fall boxes, if you are planning on getting a Pusheen box for someone for Christmas, just be aware that it may not arrive in time. But that's really the main drawback to the Pusheen boxes, is that they take so long to ship. And I don't think that's Pusheen Box's fault itself. It's run through, I believe it's Culturefly is the service that offers Pusheen Box, and I've done a little bit of digging into some of their other boxes, and it seems like Pusheen Box is not the only one that tends to ship at a not so optimal date. So just something to keep in mind. I hope you found this video helpful, enjoyable. It's a little bit different from what I normally do, but I do really like Pusheen, so I enjoy sharing these Pusheen box reviews with you all. So if you're interested in more Pusheen things, please subscribe, and if you are interested in my usual content, which is cosplay, more cosplay videos will be coming soon. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.